How much cash can you pull out of Commonwealth Bank? Let's dive in. Ever been staring down an ATM screen, heart pounding, needing cash, and completely unsure how much you can actually withdraw? It happens to the best of us. Maybe you're about to embark on a weekend getaway with friends, or you need emergency cash for an unexpected car repair. Whatever the reason, facing an ATM limit can be a real buzzkill. Building context. Well, fret no more, Commonwealth Bank warriors. Today's video is all about cracking the code on withdrawal limits. We'll break down exactly how much moolah you can snag from those trusty CBA machines, explore ways to potentially increase those limits, and delve into some handy alternatives if the ATM just isn't cutting it. So, whether you're a seasoned ComBank user or a newbie just getting started, this video is your one-stop shop for navigating the wonderful world of CBA withdrawals. The nitty-gritty, daily withdrawal limits. Alright, let's get down to brass tacks. The big question, how much can you actually withdraw in a single day? Now, this depends on the card you're using. Here's the skinny. KeyCard and Debit MasterCard, these workhorses have a standard daily withdrawal limit of $2,000 AUD. Not bad for your everyday transactions. Important note, this limit is per card, per calendar day, based on Sydney or Melbourne time. So, if you have both a KeyCard and Debit MasterCard linked to your account, you could potentially withdraw up to $4,000 in a single day, provided they're separate cards. Breaking the limit, increasing your withdrawal capability. Need more than $2,000? No worries. ComBank allows you to increase your daily withdrawal limit, but there's a catch. You'll need to do it through NetBank, their online banking platform. Here's how. Log into NetBank with your secure details. Navigate to the settings section for your account. Look for the option to manage card controls or withdrawal limits. You should be able to increase your limit up to a maximum of $2,000 for a total daily limit of $4,000 if you have two linked cards. Important considerations when raising limits. Before you go crazy with the increase button, remember, security, a higher limit means potentially greater risk if your card falls into the wrong hands. Make sure you're comfortable with the increased accessibility before jumping in. Time factor, increasing your limit might not be instantaneous. It could take some time for the new settings to reflect. Alternatives to ATMs, exploring other options. Maybe you need more than the ATM allows, or perhaps you're simply not near one. Fear not. ComBank offers a variety of alternative withdrawal methods. Over-the-counter withdrawals, head into a ComBank branch and speak with a teller. They can often handle larger withdrawals than ATMs, subject to verification and availability of funds. Bank transfer to yourself. If you have another ComBank account, you can transfer funds between them instantly through NetBank or the ComBank app. No limits between your own ComBank accounts. BPAY, need to pay someone directly? BPAY allows you to send money securely from your ComBank account to another person or business account in Australia. Remember, security is key. No matter which withdrawal method you choose, security is paramount. Here are some quick tips. Always shield your PIN when entering it at an ATM. Be wary of anyone offering help at ATMs. Report lost or stolen cards immediately. Consider using contactless payments for smaller purchases. So, there you have it. You're now a Commonwealth Bank withdrawal whiz. Remember, the standard daily limit for KeyCards and Debit MasterCards is $2,000, but you can potentially increase it through NetBank. ATMs aren't your only option. Explore over-the-counter withdrawals, bank transfers, and BPAY for more flexibility. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.